Deathlake. A while back, me and the human guinea pig went to a VIP Debenhams night event thing where we filled out our names for a prize draw. Not long ago, the human guinea pig got a phone call that he won, so this is his hamper bag haul thing, which we'll be going through in this video. Are you happy with the thing? That he actually got men's stuff?
This will show us more.
Yeah.
Would you open it then?
Yeah, you want to do the honors of opening it? So this is...
We'll do one at a time.
John Varietos. So this is a whole bag full of stuff. This is the first bag. This is a bag. This is a perfume in the bag. Daisy Love. Do you want to open it? Perfume. This is the perfume. Let's slot that back in. And this is the cream. Next item is a bag within the bag that says feed. Lip comforter oil. Would you be rubbing these on your lips?
No.
Cream.
Body lotion.
Body lotion.
Body treatment oil. Helps you relax. What do you actually do with it? Just put it on your body? I don't know.
So that's cleansing gel, pure milk, Clarins. I think this whole bag is Clarins. SOS Hydra.
So hydration.
Hydra.
That's all.
Paper. Oh, the next item.
Yeah, that was everything in this bag.
The next item is.
We'll do this Boss pink one.
Which is
some body lotion and I think it's just 2 body lotions. Yep.
2 body lotions with dividing thing, and then what's this? A man item. Well, it's not men items. They are whatever gender you wish to be.
So this is shower gel.
Which is mainly aimed towards men. Dull London Century. At least it's a manly fragrance.
You see yourself as a man, you can use it.
No. You use all of them, even though the pink don't mean nothing. This is a leather pencil, no, not pencil case, a wash bag.
You know, you can eat these, you know.
No, you can't. The packet of those oxygen. No, it's not oxygen. What is it called? What are those things called? The gel beads.
There you go.
Gel for.
It says please eat.
You know, do you want to rotate the back? It is Escada.
I see the point of this. There's like no strap. There's no nothing.
Oh yeah, no.
I mean, things could fall out short, like little bits.
You can't really use it as a pencil case either, because you know pens will come out.
And then
It is a nice pink.
another wash bag.
You're gonna be using this Prada candy. You're gonna put your creams in. No, put that back on. There you go. I'm recording. What did you just say?
This is gonna go towards you.
Yay.
You can have this.
Why not? Don't you like pink? So you
But I
show
want
your
this one and I want that one.
show your manly side. In the box it goes. It's a nice fabric. It will zip. It actually works. So this is quite a heavy item.
It's the second to last one.
So
This is another bag that I want to keep.
So how many things so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 containers with items. So this is
Some more cream.
Elizabeth Arden.
So I put that there. Then we've got some Gucci Bloom. So this is body lotion. And shower gel.
Ooh.
You can use shower gel, you stink.
Screw you, mate.
And then we've got a sample.
Of perfume.
And then we have some more moisturiser, I think. Whipped to clay. As a cleanser.
Clay.
Yeah, no, it says whipped clay.
Ah. Have fun applying that to your manly face.
No.
Manly face.
This is some aftershave balm.
Which you're gonna use for your beard. Ah, mirror. The camera sees the mirror. Do you want to show the top with a flower pattern? You're gonna put that in your gym bag.
No. Hey, the gym's filled with mirrors anyway. Some cream.
Cream. What kind of cream? SPF 30. Comide.
We have some Gucci Guilty. So
Is
this
it
is
cream?
shampoo. Shampoo. And aftershave balm.
Mm. Nice.
It'd be pretty good if we took like these with us when we go travelling.
Yeah, did an overnight trip.
This is shower gel.
Mm. Shower gel.
This is like my favourite thing I got, to be honest.
What, out of the whole bag?
Yeah, and that other big shower gel.
Yeah. Mm. You're gonna save that for travelling, or you're gonna use it straight away?
What we use for travelling, the big bottle, I'll just use that. Whatever.
Yeah.
Then we have some perfume.
Perfume. Is it perfume?
I think it is.
Perfume? Oh yes, you struggled to open that last time. You're not gonna open it, are you?
No.
Nearly spilt the whole thing.
It's water, you can drink it.
Just no. I think the spray things are better, aren't they?
Some
Mascara!
mascara for my eyelashes.
You're gonna put some eyeshadow on your face.
Some skin renewal booster.
Boost.
And some capsule things that I'm still very confused about.
I think these are anti-aging Olay. Yeah, daily youth restoring. It's one of those anti-aging serums that one capsule is one use and you shove it all on your face.
And that's everything in this bag. This bag is quite big.
Very,
very good quality.
That's the stuff in that black bag. In the last item is the Versace. No idea. Dylan blue, a gold trim, dark blue. Would you do the honors?
Oh, I had it the wrong way around.
So this is a perfume and
I swear that still smells like a female perfume.
It doesn't matter, you can use it. You can use everything even though it's pink. It doesn't matter what gender. It's just a cream and liquids.
Body lotion and then shower gel, bath and shower gel.
What is your favourite item out of all of the items?
The Hugo Boss shower gel and that big bottle of shower gel. And obviously these actual bags are quite nice to have as well, to store stuff inside. But considering this was all for free, you know, pretty
Well,
good.
not for free. We had to pay for £5 ticket, but then the prize draw was free to enter. The deal was pretty disappointing.
Yeah, well, how would they know if we paid or not?
I don't know.
So,
It's a bit annoying. Like, they did say for the ticket that you get a free goodie bag, but you don't.
My favourite wash bag is this one.
Yeah.
So this one's alright. It's just like.
Guess what's my favourite item out of the whole thing?
The mascara.
No. The mirror.
The mirror.
The mirror.
But you'll crack it.
I'm not that ugly. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my face page for more content. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my face page for more content. And please do comment below what's your favourite item out of this video. Thank you for watching.